welcome you back to GMA. And this morning, we return to Rolling Fork, Mississippi, where the community is rebuilding after an EF4 tornado ripped through that small town. DeMarco is there with some very, very special people, and glad that you are there, DeMarco. Good morning to you.
Robin, good morning to you, and
good morning, America!
Yes. We are so excited to be back in this community because we promised to return as long as they are rebuilding, and we have kept that promise, and we have witnessed some amazing, strong people. But there is someone inside this food truck right behind me. Her story is amazing. Her name is Melinda Washington, and we know her story, but we want America to meet her. Take a look for yourself.
EJ's Cafe is Melinda Washington's dream come true.
I was becoming a new grandma, and I wanted to build a better life for them, to leave a legacy of greatness.
The shop opening last November in Rolling Fork, Mississippi.
I'm actually the first coffee shop here. It brings joy to me when my customers come, and it's like, we're so glad you're here. And since day one, that has been my motivation.
But on March 24th, everything changed after an EF4 tornado with winds up to 170 miles per hour ripped through Rolling Fork.
The tornado just blew my windows in, it picked me up, and it slammed me to the wall. And I fell in between the bed and the wall, and all the walls, the ceiling, and everything just fell on top of me. In an instant, your whole life is flipped upside down.
Melinda's home destroyed, her shop severely damaged, and her storage unit filled with appliances and baking supplies reduced to rubble.
So much of my cake supply, y'all, completely gone.
Nearly 5 months since the tornado hit, Melinda is still picking up the pieces, living in a motel room 45 minutes away with her husband and son.
I'm living in a room that's literally mentally draining because I feel like I'm confined in a box.
Her motel room, also her makeshift kitchen, where she preps her pastries each day.
Today I've prepared some brownies that I will put in ice cream. I'm motivated every day that I get up to continue to come to Rolling Fork. And with the tornado happening, I've seen so many people rally together. So it really restored my faith in humanity when people started donating to us.
Like this carnival food truck, a gift for Melinda.
Hey guys.
You get them milkshakes today?
I do.
Donated by strangers.
That's good stuff.
This is a home espresso machine. I made it work. Thank you.
We come every day because she makes some good drinks, and they're one of the best in town.
And just this month, signs of hope. Melinda receiving a temporary home, and she's currently designing a new structure for her business.
Welcome to the new EJ's Cafe.
Small steps forward on the long road to recovery.
This community has shown me love in ways I've never experienced. So it was definitely my duty to stay and to try to keep going.
Oh, let's make some noise for Melinda, everybody. Woo! Yes, what a beautiful story there. We are so happy for you and proud of you as well, but we know it's been tough. What has kept you going? Was it your faith?
Definitely my faith. It's definitely been my faith. Family, friends, community. Definitely. They definitely kept me going. My grandchildren.
I mean, after watching that, was there ever a time that you wanted to give up and say, you know what, I just can't do it anymore?
I never thought about giving up. Never, not one time. It's not in me to give up. I've always been a fighter.
And we're so glad you didn't give up because I hear you got the best coffee in town, right? Well, Robin Roberts has been down here. She has also been dedicated to coming back and making sure that you guys thrive. She has a question for you. Robin.
Faith, family, and friends, and she is a fighter. Hey there, Melinda. So incredibly proud of you. I'm here with George. I'm here with Lindsay as well. And we know it's like one foot in front of the other. And the way that you have been able to still do so much for that tight-knit community. What is the next step for you, Melinda, with the business? What's the next step?
Just finally, just continue to push forward. I'm just living to become better, to better serve my community and my family, and to better just keep pressing.
Yeah,
definitely.
Keep pressing on. Well, I think our friend there, DeMarco, can help you with that next and to keep moving on. Right, DeMarco?
That's right, Robin. Thank you for teeing me up. You know, a lot of people have been watching your story. There's some people in this community and across the country who want to look out for you. Have you heard of the Heart on Main Street Foundation?
No.
Well, guess what? They want to give you $5,000 to help you reach your goal. You like that, right?
Yes.
So what do you think about that?
Amazing.
And how will it help?
So the blessing definitely on my new unit, my new coffee shop.
Your new coffee shop.
Get more equipment and I actually pay the rest too.
Okay.
Definitely.
Well, guess what? You may be able to use this for something else because guess what? There's some other people, LG Electronics, they heard about your story and they want to not only help you rebuild your kitchen, but give you new appliances. So you can use this for something else. Woo! Let's give it up for LG Electronics. Is that good enough?
Yes.
What's going through your mind? You most certainly deserve it.
I'm shocked. The amount of support. I'm trying not to cry.
No, it's all good. It's all good. But you also talked about your faith too. So is this true and evident that faith really works?
Oh, definitely. It has kept me from losing my mind. Definitely has kept me from giving up completely. Like it just. And I have to shout out my pastor, Connie Birmingham, because my church, St. Paul.
Some love. You know,
I got
this
to.
is the South of Mississippi. You got to show the pastor some love.
I definitely do, because he has definitely been on this journey with us. You know, he's definitely had his boots on the ground.
And I want to let you know that GMA is also on this journey with you, and we will not give up until you guys fully rebuild. We appreciate being here and being for you guys. And one more time for Rolling Fork Strong and Mississippi Strong. Yes. All right, guys, we'll send it back to you, Robin.
All right, DeMarco, so glad that you are there with Melinda and everybody there in Rolling Fork, knowing that they are not forgotten. And it's just something to keep in mind when we have the wildfires. We've been having all these tropical storms and stuff, and that, you know, just keep in mind. And our viewers have been so
They've come together, no question
about it. Oh my goodness.
And that word that you used before, resilience, that's what it's all about. And I love hearing Melinda say that she never even thought about quitting. Never considered giving up.
No, never in her thoughts.